Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through how you can prevent peer-to-peer in-calls by specific users on the Telegram app for PC after the latest update. If you've ever wanted more control over who can directly connect with you during calls, Telegram now makes it easier to manage these settings step by step. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Once the app launches, take a look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines stacked together. Click on those to open the main menu. From there, scroll down and head into Settings. Inside the Settings menu, look for the section labeled Privacy and Security, since that's where all of your control options for calls and privacy are located. Next, find the option simply called Calls. Click on it and you'll be presented with various settings related to how calls work in your Telegram account. In this section, you're going to see an option titled Use Peer-to-Peer With. This setting determines who can make a direct peer-to-peer call connection with you. Select the option Everybody in order to apply changes universally. Now, here's the important part. Next to Never Allow, you'll notice a button called Add Users. Clicking on this will let you select specific people that you don't want to connect with you via peer-to-peer calling. Go ahead and choose the users you'd like to restrict. After making your selections, click on Save to confirm. Once you hit Save, Telegram will apply your preferences immediately. To finalize the process, you may be asked to confirm one last time. Simply confirm the step, and your new settings are locked in. From now on, those chosen users won't be able to connect with you through a peer-to-peer call, while everyone else will still follow the setting you selected. And that's it. With just a few quick steps, you've taken control over your call privacy on Telegram's PC app. This update gives you more security and flexibility, ensuring your calls remain exactly how you want them.